Making small sculptures out of clay doesn't have to take that long, and it doesn't have to be that hard either. In today's video, I will show you how to make a sculpture in about 15 to 20 minutes. The first thing I do is of course to wedge the clay, and then I use a thread to cut my clay to get these rough shapes. I try to make it square. This is going to be the body. And after that, I can decide on what kind of a head I want to make to my sculpture. The good thing is, you can make many different heads and try them out and see if they fit to the body. I chose to make just one head, and I will not make too many expressions. Just 2 small eyes, a nose, and, well, the features of a mouth. I cut the neck the right size, and then I check it out, and after that I use some slip, because I want it to secure really good to the body. I use a needle tool to make it smooth and secure it really well. After that, I try to make the features, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. You can actually choose to make really great details, but I don't want to do that right now because the body is really simple. So I want the head also to be really simple, not too much details. The only tools that I use today are my hands, a wooden tool, a needle tool, and a silicone tip brush. And as always, if you have a really simple body, try to keep the head also simple. So remember to stop in time. Don't overdo it. I use my thread again because I want to refine the body. I try not to make hands and legs and so on, but still get a little bit of a movement into the body and small hints of where the hands and the legs should be. So just by cutting away a little bit of the clay, I try to make it look really nice. And by adjusting the head, you can get really great expressions to your figure. I decided to attach 2 wings to my sculpture, so it turns out to be a small angel. And always, when you attach something, remember to use slip, because that's the glue that will keep it in place. The clay I use today is a stoneware clay, and I will now leave it to dry, maybe work a little bit more on the wings, and then it's time for me to think about the glazing. But this was really easy, and it did actually not take me more than 20 minutes from start to finish. I hope you get inspired and try to make one yourself. And attaching wings, etc. Well, that's just up to your own imagination. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Bye bye.